but I have another mentor.
Yes.
I would say, I mean, she's both the subject of my work and also a role model mentor. That's Irena Klepfisz.
Can you explain who she is?
She is bilingual Yiddish-English radical lesbian poet, scholar. She was born in 1941 on the Aryan side of Warsaw, where she was passing with her mother, while her father was one of the heroes of the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising, who perished there. And she became first a poet in the English language, and then influenced by trends of Spanish-English bilingual writing that were part of lesbian politics and poetics. She started writing Yiddish and English. And I remember when I was first doing research in Warsaw, looking at Yiddish women's poetry, I had this deep desire to find, and if not find, more a temptation to invent a lesbian Yiddish poet whose story I could discover and then write, lesbian history about. And then I was in a conference in Berkeley, and suddenly I sort of found out that my imaginary Yiddish lesbian poetess was flesh and blood, and that was extremely exciting. And since then, we've also become friends. So I definitely think the corpus of her Yiddish English writing is actually quite limited. It's probably 15 poems, but the genius of that, where I have no other word for it, has completely given me tools to think about Yiddish and English intimately interacting and really touching readers in a way that inspires the rest of my work.